everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here's a quick video of a repaint of an old figure that I made before. So it's a custom Phoenix Force Cyclops, and I used the OG armored Green Lantern body, then 3D printed the head with Reso on SP64 and chest piece with Reso on F69. So I plan on making a more vibrant metallic red, so I'm using a Turbodork Redrum for the metallic red, and then base coat is I used golden so flat pyrrole red. When painting metallic reds, I usually do black undercoat, then gold, then layers of metallic red on top. I checked the bottle and it actually recommends having a red undercoat, then the metallic red. I'd say it looks more like shiny red, not really the McFarlane OG Red Hood helmet that we usually get. Let's see how it looks at the end. I usually take apart my customs when painting it, but it looks like when I was doing this way back, like 3 years ago or so, I did end up damaging the leg connector pieces, so I don't want to break it again. So I'll just be airbrushing the legs in place. But again, this is bad practice, so don't do this. Always take apart your figure if you can, and then let the paint dry. But since I'm only airbrushing the sides of the legs and not really the piece that connects to the belly part, then we can get away with this one. But yeah, I'll only do it for special reasons. So now I'm just cleaning up the red oversprays. Luckily it's just black, so it's easy to clean up. I'm just using the golden so flat black for this one. But yeah, usually if it's a different color like yellow or pink, it's much easier to mask the parts since it's hard to paint over those. If you have anything that you'd want me to do, just leave a comment down below and then I'll see if it's something I can do. Alright, looks like cleanup is all done, so it's time to put it together. As with my other customs, I always apply 1 to 2 coats of Mr. Super Clear Gloss or Matte, then let it sit for a couple hours, preferably overnight. Yeah, it kind of looks more like candy red to me with the red undercoat instead of metallic red. But I think it looks pretty good. It's more vibrant than without the metallic paint. I also removed that shoulder O-ring that usually comes with it. It was quite tight with it, so without that one it actually can move the arm a little better and pose it a little better. Here's the final look of the completed figure, and I have some pictures at the very end. Thanks again for watching, guys. See ya.